Happy Friday, everybody. I hope you're having a wonderful day, and I hope that you're in the spirits to help me do what I need to do. I need to wish a woman a wonderful, wonderful journey. I want to congratulate her, and I want to welcome her to the best club in the world, and that's the Club of Motherhood. Ngema, my sweetheart, we're so proud of you, and we're thankful for everything that you have selflessly been for us. You lost your husband, and you stood in front of church, in front of God, in front of all of us, and you sang as we were wishing him farewell. We didn't understand that. We didn't understand the power that had to take. And not only did you stop there, but you became an example for every woman who needed the strength to continue to remember that she too has a life to live after she has said goodbye to her soulmate, to the love of her life. Today we celebrate you because God has given you love in Tino. God has given you love in your unborn child. And we celebrate the miracle that you are, because you are a walking miracle. You are keeping the love and life of God alive in you. And when your child comes to this earth, you'll continue doing God's work. We thank you for everything that you have been. And we say, please don't stop, because you have given us courage. And to all of those who have spoken ill about you and questioned your timing, please just answer them with one thing. And one thing only: God is always on time. Enjoy the love that God has given you through the father of your child. Enjoy the love that God is still giving you with your family. Enjoy everything that God has planned for you, and may all your dreams come true. We love you. P.S. Forgive them. P.P.S. Happy Women's Month.